There are many Christmas stocking products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stocking from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Steospsy Christmas Stockings. Rating 4.7. Elevate your holiday decor with our custom knit stockings adorned with leather patches. Add a name or text for a unique touch that captures the warmth of Christmas. Each stocking includes 4 high-quality leather patches and 12 craft cards. The elegantly engraved stitching on these patches complements the stocking's beauty. Easily insert your pre-written name cards and secure them with adhesive backing. Customize your own name Christmas stocking or gift one to a loved one. Easily hang these beautiful stockings on stocking holders, mantelpieces, walls, or doors. They're perfect for homes, farmhouses, windows, and hotels, adding warmth and charm to any space. Number 4. Bahraini Dinars Beauty Christmas Stockings. Rating 4.9. Christmas stockings designed for family, made of 100% good quality burlap. Decorate with buffalo red plaid and non-woven fleece fabric. Expensive than others on the market. Very soft and flexible. More durable. A perfect gift for your family. Bright colors, not easily fade. Fully lined to prevent inside items from poking through. There are 6-pack Christmas stockings in the package. Enough to share with your family and friends. Meet your various decoration needs. Perfect holiday decorations and Christmas gift. Number 3. Minidum Christmas Stockings. Rating 4.9. Christmas stockings are one of our essential holiday decorations. With 18 liters x 8 watts large size, each has enough space for gifts, pudding, or hanging decoration. Perfect for you to fill candies or cookies. Watch folding wallet, ties, gift cards, small toy cars, etc. Each Christmas stocking comes with cute blank wooden name tag, provide you with design space, and you can customize any name you want. Christmas stockings match with tags. Create a joyful and snowy atmosphere on Christmas Eve with your family, friends, or colleagues. Making sure our customers are happy with their purchase always has and always will be our priority. Minidum provides worry-free 12-month lifetime technology support and friendly customer service. Please contact us first and anytime if you have any problems. Number 2. Knitted Christmas Stocking. Rating 5.0. You can customize the name of your favorite person on this knitted Christmas stockings and give it to him as a Christmas gift or as a family gift. It must be the perfect decor when you hanging the stockings on your Christmas tree or fireplace. Custom Christmas stocking sizes. 18.9 x 7.1 in. Large capacity can be stuffed with treats, toys, Christmas cards, candies, chocolates, and other gifts. We have spent quality time working hands-on with these items, putting them to the test to assure customer satisfaction. Number 1. Funny D Christmas Stocking. Rating 5.0. Each stocking is beautifully crafted and customized with a name of your choice, adding a personal touch to your holiday decor. Imagine the joy on your loved ones' faces when they see their names displayed prominently on these festive stockings. These stockings are a wonderful way to celebrate family togetherness during the holiday season. Whether it's for your children, parents, or grandparents, our personalized stockings are designed to create lasting memories and strengthen the bonds of love. Start a new holiday tradition with these personalized stockings. Watch as your family eagerly anticipates what surprises Santa will leave in their very own. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.